In the market full of overpriced models, it was about time to see someone taking the opposite approach. It was about time to see a pickup without massive touchscreens the size of TVs and unnecessary digital features. In this case, the focus is on radical simplicity, customization, and affordability. Stay with us and find out how the all-new Slate Truck wows everybody. Blank slate philosophy. The auto industry is obsessed with feature, bloat, and unnecessary technology, but Slate Auto is swimming against the current. With the new Slate Truck, you're getting a fundamentally usable electric pickup that's intentionally designed without unnecessary complexity, allowing owners to easily tailor it to their specific requirements and aesthetic preferences. The key innovation, Slate Auto produces just a single factory configuration, the blank slate, featuring unpainted slate gray exterior composite panels that provide the perfect foundation for personalization. These glass-filled polypropylene composite body panels aren't just cheaper to produce, they're also more resistant to dents and scratches than traditional metal panels, making them ideal for a working vehicle. By eliminating the paint shop entirely, Slate achieves significant savings while reducing environmental impact. This is a canvas for your creativity. What makes the Slate Truck truly special is its radical customization potential, dramatically different from anything else on the market. While other manufacturers force you to choose between pre-configured trims, Slate gives you the power to build exactly what you want, when you want it, through an extensive catalog of accessories and upgrades. This approach keeps the base price remarkably low while giving you the freedom to add only the features you actually need. From pickup to SUV. One of the Slate Truck's most impressive features is its ability to transform from a pickup into a full SUV. With the optional SUV kit, this compact electric vehicle can easily be converted from a 2-seat pickup to a 5-passenger SUV with a spacious second row. This dual functionality eliminates the need for multiple vehicles, making the Slate Truck an incredibly practical and cost-effective option for families, small businesses, and anyone with changing transportation needs. The process of converting between the two configurations is designed to be straightforward, requiring no specialized mechanical expertise. The SUV kit can be installed by the owner following instructional materials provided through Slate U, the company's dedicated content hub with how-to videos and tutorials. But the adaptability doesn't stop there. Want to go doorless for an open-air experience? There's an accessory for that. Need a sportier stance? Add the lowering kit. Prefer the look of an off-roader? The lift kit has you covered. The Slate Truck can be continuously transformed to match your evolving lifestyle, making it one of the most versatile vehicles on the market. Dimensions. While most manufacturers are going bigger and bulkier, the Slate Truck takes a more sensible approach with compact dimensions that maximize utility while maintaining excellent maneuverability. At approximately 175 inches long, 71 inches wide, and 69 inches tall, with a 109-inch wheelbase, this compact pickup is significantly smaller than other trucks on the market, making it ideal for urban environments and tight parking spaces. Despite its compact size, the Slate Truck doesn't compromise on practical capability. With a quite impressive payload capacity of 1,433 pounds, it can handle most hauling tasks with ease. The towing capacity of around 1,000 pounds, while modest compared to larger trucks, is sufficient for light trailers and recreational equipment. The bed measures approximately 5 feet in length with about 37 cubic feet of cargo volume, plus you get an additional 7 cubic feet of storage in the front trunk or frunk. Powertrain. The Slate Truck features a rear-mounted single electric motor delivering 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Plenty of power for a vehicle of this size. The rear-wheel drive configuration offers responsive handling, and the architecture has been designed to potentially accommodate a front motor in the future for all-wheel drive capability. Performance is respectable, with an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 8 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 90 miles per hour. This balance of performance and efficiency is perfect for everyday driving while keeping costs down. Recognizing that not everyone needs the same range, Slate offers 2 battery pack options to suit different driving requirements. The standard battery has a capacity of 52.7 kilowatt hours and provides an estimated range of approximately 150 miles, perfect for urban dwellers and shorter commutes. For those who need more range, an optional 84.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack extends the driving range to up to 240 miles, making longer trips more practical. Charging is refreshingly straightforward too. The Slate Truck comes with everything needed for home charging, using the included charging cable with either a regular level 1 household outlet or a level 2 240-volt appliance outlet. Level 1 charging adds 2 to 5 miles of range per hour, while level 2 adds 25 to 40 miles per hour, fully charging the battery in 4 to 8 hours. For road trips, the Slate Truck supports level 3 DC fast charging with a peak rate of 120 kilowatts, charging from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Interior. Inside, the Slate Truck delivers an interior that's refreshingly uncluttered, focusing on personal space, comfort, and intuitive usability. Instead of cramming in complicated infotainment systems that quickly become outdated, the base model includes a standard universal phone mount and offers an optional tablet mount, letting you use your own devices for navigation and entertainment. Physical knobs control the HVAC system, making adjustments simple and intuitive. While the base model comes with manual crank windows to keep costs down, power windows are available as an accessory. This back-to-basics approach may seem unusual in today's digital-centric world, but it represents a deliberate design choice to focus on what truly matters, while eliminating unnecessary complexity and cost. Safety hasn't been compromised despite the simplified approach, with active emergency braking, forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, and accommodation for up to 8 airbags when configured with the optional SUV kit. Traction and stability control systems come standard as well, ensuring the Slate Truck remains sure-footed in various driving conditions. Extensive personalization. The Slate Truck revolutionizes vehicle personalization through its extensive catalog of over 100 accessories. Unlike traditional automotive customization that often requires professional installation, most Slate accessories are designed for easy DIY installation with the support of tutorial videos through Slate U, the company's content hub. Want to change the color? Vinyl wraps are available in a diverse range of colors and designs, offering a flexible and cost-effective alternative to traditional automotive paint. These wrap kits start at around $500, making them an accessible option for owners seeking to personalize their vehicles. The Slate Maker concept empowers owners to continuously personalize their vehicles by easily adding, swapping, and reconfiguring accessories at any time, even after the initial purchase. This approach creates a vehicle that could evolve with your needs, something unheard of in today's automotive market. Pricing and release date. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Slate Truck is its price tag. The base model starts under $28,000 before any incentives. Factor in the potential $7,500 federal EV tax credit, and you could be looking at a brand new electric truck for $20,000, a truly groundbreaking price point in today's market. The radically low price is achieved through several innovative approaches, producing a single factory configuration, using unpainted composite body panels, and eliminating the need for a paint shop, focusing on essential features, maximizing parts commonality, simplifying the assembly process, using off-the-shelf components like the electric drive unit, and adopting a direct-to-consumer sales model. To put this price in perspective, consider that the average new car price in America now exceeds $48,000, while the cheapest new trucks typically start around $30,000. This aggressive pricing should translate to monthly payments in the $360 to $400 range without requiring excessively long loan terms. Production begins this year, with deliveries starting soon after. For those intrigued by this innovative approach to electric vehicles, a fully refundable $50 deposit secures your place in line to order when the time comes. An American-made revolution. Slate Auto isn't just revolutionizing the electric vehicle, it's also committed to American manufacturing. Founded in 2022, this new company produces the Slate Truck at a 1.4 million square foot facility in Warsaw, Indiana, creating over 2,000 jobs in the process. By reindustrializing a former printing plant in the Midwest, Slate Auto is bringing manufacturing jobs to America while innovating the way we think about personal transportation. The Slate Truck represents a bold new direction for the automotive industry, one that prioritizes affordability, simplicity, and personal expression over complexity and feature bloat. In a market of increasingly expensive and complicated vehicles, the Slate Truck stands out as a refreshing alternative that puts the power of choice back in the hands of consumers. But this won't be the only pickup on the market aiming for ultimate affordability. Check out this video about 8 reasons to wait for Toyota Stout, which you can now see on the screen. The Japanese automaker is bringing back the legendary nameplate, but this time with a modular platform that'll offer powertrain options of all kinds, along with very competitive pricing and super practical design that will make unibody pickups like Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz completely irrelevant. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.